Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about linking websites in an AOL email that you are composing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is, in the email itself, select the little link icon underneath subject. You can go ahead and copy and paste the website underneath, or you can just type it out. The display text is what it's going to appear as, and then select save, and then if you click on that, it'll show you what the link is under it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.